Micah's prophecies concerning the Messiah. Can you read Micah chapter 5, verse 2 to 5, so that you hear the prophecy? Because some of you thought I don't know. You read the Bible so that you can know which points were correct or not.
Chapter 5, verse 2 to 5. But you, O Bethlehem, Ephrathah, who are little among the clans of Judah, from you shall come forth for me one who is to be ruler in Israel, whose origin is from the old, is from ancient days. Therefore, you shall give them up until the time of who is in has brought forth. Then the rest of his brethren shall return to the people of Israel. And he shall stand and keep his flock in the strength of the Lord, for the majesty of the name of the Lord is God. And they shall dwell secure, for now he shall be great to the ends of the earth. And this shall be peace, when the Assyrian comes into our land and treads upon our soil, that he will raise against him seven shepherds and 8 princes of men.
Okay. So the Messiah will be born in Bethlehem. He will rule over Israel. His origin is from the old. He would be born of a woman. There is no way saying of a virgin, of a woman. He will be born of a woman. He will feed his flock. He will rule from strength of the Lord. He will rule in strength of the Lord. In his time, Israel will be secure. And then he shall be great to the ends of the earth. This is whereby I was telling people, I was giving the point that his life, he shall be what? Eternal. The Messiah would be eternal, everlasting. That's why I was giving you that. But you are supposed to say, he shall be great to the earth. You should start with, he shall be great to the ends of the earth, or eternal. Then we go to the annunciation of the birth of Jesus, as found in Luke chapter 26, verse 38. So tomorrow, before tomorrow, I want you to write in your books, all of you, the way it is written in the Bible, Luke chapter 1, verse 26 to 38, about the announcement.